A function is a series of operations that will transform any x value into one specific y value. Functions can be denoted by letters like f, g, v, etc. The letter f is most commonly used for functions. The two main versions of writing a function are shown on the screen. Fx represents an expression for the value of the function f when evaluated for the variable x. The domain is the set of x values that are used as inputs. The range is the set of y values that are used as outputs. Graphing the function can help visualize the domain and range. A piecewise function is a mathematical function that is defined by different expressions or rules for different intervals or pieces of the input domain. Each piece is associated with a specific range of input values. Let's look at an example. So consider the function fx is equal to x squared if x is smaller than 0 and 2x if x is greater or equal than 0. This is a piecewise function because it behaves differently for x values less than 0 and x values greater than or equal to 0. For x is less than 0, the function follows the rule fx equals x squared. For x is greater or equal to than 0, the function follows the rule fx is equal to 2x.
Please like and subscribe, please.